had some notes where the bass knob was going loud. I'm like, whoa, it got way crazier. It sounded clear when he was demoing too, yeah.
202, 2400.2, run tweeters, run 8, run 10. I got a 240, 24 amp hour.
Oh, got it.
Mount on the side.
You
so
got
two batteries.
You got a lot of battery bank.
Dayton 408 makes things a lot easier.
It does?
Yes. The only downfall to it is you can only program it by laptop.
Still in testing phases on dialing in because you started lower?
Yeah.
And you were adding?
This was actually flat, just like these are, but I ended up taking two of them, turning them up, and rounding it over just to see if it would do anything, and it actually picked up a lot on the demo side doing it that way.
Makes it more windy too, probably.
Yeah, absolutely.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. This is a 4th or 6th? 4th. 4th is? Okay.
4th with a 4 XV3 15. 190 amp hour.
Oh, it's all hidden, okay.
5 amp hour cell under the platform here.
It was built in the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Did you build it?
It's actually a slide in.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
How did y'all fit that in there? Wow, really?
Carefully.
That's crazy.
Yeah, carefully.
It don't look like it is, but it is. Okay.
Well,
you got your beauty panel too.
I did get beauty panel.
Yeah, you don't see anything.
Kind of hide it off.
It looks good. Wow.
Thanks, sir.
So you pretty much are in the testing, tuning stages, learning your system, and then you can turn it up and see what it really does. So.
Yep. 4 salt sixes.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, there is a 4th one.
Yep. One down.
Your name again?
Gabe.
Gabe. I remember you when you had a no wall.
That's it right there.
Oh, you still have it? Oh, okay.
That's the wife.
I guess he's learning the knob, or you don't want to turn it too much, so.
Well,
Okay.
we try to keep it toned down a little bit for him because he's still trying to learn it. But right now it's wired at 2.
I was about to say, how are they subs handling that power?
Well, they're wired at 2 because I originally had 2 soft 12s in here, but
Okay, got it.
charged over 15.3.
Got
so
it.
I dropped down to the 6.
You got to be careful, yeah.
So I can wire it up.
Yeah.
But I'm going to eventually swap over to dual ones so I can wire it
Okay.
and let them play. Let them eat a little bit.
Yours?
This is my dad's.
Oh, it's yours, okay.
Yeah.
You get to demo it though, that's pretty cool, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. I got broads in Atlanta.